So this time I would like to shortly share the presentation with you that I used in our week 1 session. And actually what you can see here on the screen is my Obsidian vault. And you maybe remember we created this folder week 1. And what I did is I copied the session design file that I used during the session inside this folder. And what you can see here, it's really the presentation that I used during the session. And you can also work with all the elements inside this presentation. There we use a special plugin. It's called Excalidraw, and it's embedded inside Obsidian. And this allows that you can create visuals, presentations, drawings, brainstorming, mind maps, all that stuff. And maybe that's an interesting way for you to get in contact with the presentation, but also add your own notes. Together with this presentation, I also provided you in this file that I share with the transcript. You can see it here. It's all under week 1. And what you need to do here is I shared it in a post inside Circle. I provide you with a zip file. It's called week 1 zip. You unzip this file, what I do now here, and it creates a folder week 1. And inside this folder, you find some attachments, so images, stuff like this. And also, for instance, here the training session chat, an AI summary, the transcript, and also the file for the training design. That's actually the one that creates the presentation itself. So what you do is you take all this content in here, copy it. I do it like copy, and then you paste it inside your folder week 1. I did this already, that's why I don't do this now. And once you do this and you go back to your Obsidian, then you should be able to see all the files in the attachment, and you should also see the training design here. And this actually, if you click on the training design, then it opens this visual representation. Yeah, maybe that's a small, interesting additional exercise to get comfortable with Obsidian and also how you can copy files in there. And I will continue doing this with the next weeks and all the materials. So you have it all live in your Obsidian vault and can start really working with all the material. Have fun exploring this one. See you next Monday.